So just gonna show a quick little video of preparation here. I'm gonna make some guacamole. I'm gonna add the tapatio, guacamole, mix it up, probably add some pepper and salt. That's it, keep it simple. Same thing with the meat. Like always, we just, no lemon this time, just the pepper, salt, and a little bit of oil on the bottom. Keep it simple. From scratch, and then meat, and then we'll probably make tacos. Should be fine. So this is showing how we kind of started the preparation. 2 avocados. I actually didn't really need the third one because this is actually a good amount with just the 2. Open up the tapatio, pour that in there a little bit, not too much, and then I just actually threw salt in there, and then we're gonna mix that up into something good. Meat's almost done. I've had it just sitting medium for a while, just kind of simmering there. So that should be pretty good, pretty light. Actually, that was like a milanesa style, so it's like a lighter, thinner meat. So it cooks really nice. And then yeah, should have a good meal. Okay. So we kind of mix up the guacamole, smash it up pretty good here. We'll probably add a little bit more of the tapatio if we like to, just if they have a little bit more spiciness. And then we don't have to add any more salsa because the guacamole already has that spice, salsa spice. And then we added salt in there too, so this is a good little kick to the meat. And the meat has the pepper, has some oil, has its own juices. Actually a pretty good color for that avocado. Those avocados are kind of expensive. They're $1.99 each, but they're pretty decent size. So we used 2, that's $4. Added our own salt. Our own salsa is like 99 cents. And compared to buying like a pre-mixed guacamole from the store, which is between $6 to $8 sometimes for it. So $4, $45. Make it yourself. It's fresh. And yeah, that's it. I think the meat's almost done. It's pretty good. Freaking hot. Yeah, and then we can prepare it. Some tacos. Easy everyday cooking. Alright, so here's the aftermath. You can either make some, I have some chips left over from my ceviche, do the meat, avocado, our guacamole from scratch we made, tacos for the kids. You got the guacamole in there. And if you want, you can add more salsa too. I mean, you can add more salsa in there, throw some cheese on there, and you're at your house, your pad, making your own stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Any suggestions, let me know, and I'll make a video. Thanks. Peace out. See you, Chris.